Buford Jasper began participating in local STEM festivals in 2016. At the time, our booth consisted of a static display that showed the water cycle as it relates to stormwater runoff and drinking water supply. While the display was an effective tool for those purposes, it did not explain the distribution system of drinking water. It was also not an interactive display that involved the participants, and it didn't require any problem-solving skills. Other booths at the STEM Festival were attracting more attention and engaging with participants longer. Buford Jasper set out to fix this. The first version of the interactive display involved a 5-gallon bucket placed on a table, and kids would build a piping network from one bucket to another bucket placed on the ground. The system worked, but required a manual transfer of water between the buckets after each use, and did not have enough height to express how water generates pressure. Enter the water engineering system setup.
For the second attempt, we used a larger tank elevated about the children's heads, made multiple connection points, integrated pumps, and a control system. The setup allows children to learn about pressure caused by storing water above ground and the different pipe arrangements to deliver water to various locations. For older children, the display also demonstrates control logic with pumps that are controlled using float switches. This is all incorporated within the scrap panel that is equipped with an HOA switch, run indicator lights, and hour meters. Kids who use the unit are given a bucket full of various lengths of pipes, tees, bends, and asked to plumb a line from the discharge of the tank to a bucket location on the ground. Some take a very direct approach, while others build elaborate pipe networks to discharge multiple lines into the bucket. When they are done, they turn the valve to see whether the water will go in. If successful, the bucket will begin to fill until the float is activated and the water pump from the bucket back into the elevated storage tank.